But say
me say obetimi ma ye verse bi a Allah can say the Torah and the Injil no corrupt and I say bibisa because Muslims they claim say the Bible is corrupt and I say the Torah and the Injils no corrupt. Allah can bibisa afa bibisa ho na obetimi ma ye verse bi.
Na adeti na wo free Quran mo ansa no wo say Bible no corrupt.
Me hwe free Bible mu.
Me say adenti na wo free Quran ni mo ansa no wo say Bible no corrupt.
Because the Bible, the Bible, Quran they claim, Bible they claim the Bible they corrupt na. Quran they claim the Bible, Muslims they claim the Bible they corrupt.
No, the Christian scholars themselves say the Bible they corrupt. And today na also go free Quran no answer.
It is the Christian scholars make us the Bible they corrupt. Uno mo ya adwene. Allah also can say Bible they corrupt.
See, go teach free that free siasa the catch us against na wu a. Ya nyina chinyi.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أنيانوم ne adofnom yesre Allah se ohun nyina mobo no mfa ne nhyira na dom ene na somdwe ehun nyina yesoda ene semina mesane mu ahia ewo Ampa TV so ana ye mosomfo imam edubofo ana meni mu ahia na ene yenkoma ye bedi no eye enkomo bia esiye between me and one of the so-called common sense family for omo member baako ewo ono ne platforms no oye live program because I mean so oye live program and I made them afraid of for a different thing na me frey no asamwa esiye ewo platform no so between me and ono no ana me pese me matiefu tie kakra ewo ha na mo ankasa mo judge say enti nkrofo we mu omo sori a omo gina nyamesomfo kon so se omo de omo ni common sense na omo no omo common sense no omo no common sense no nti omo de ye adwuma anampo omo obi ade no omo se e friend common sense no one omo obi na so omo obi so a enti omo de ye adwuma na minim se ene mo besre ya pai mema mwatie asem no na de si ye ne say mema ye mi program bi ewo Ampa TV ewo ha sei prophecies about Muhammad in Matthew part 1 ama ye minyanye part 2 na me yewie ye no me upload ye ana Abrante baako a ono so ka common sense family for no a friend is Setu obe comment ye say o challenge me say asem na make an ntisa ansa na kra no mum ye nhye bibi nso ha sa Abrante da bia o ta ka say enkrofo ka say oye Christian enkrofo ka say oye Christian me de me nka bi sa da but ne ni ye bi eni ye bi ya mama dwuna ye me say ebia asasem no nkrofo ka no ya ono no ka no ne platform so no ebetimi aya ampa de ntini say emre bi me ye program bi about say nyankopon antwe enkwada aso na enumu no na me kirechire mu no me kire a friend say original sin, the doctrine of original sin Christopher ka say yena na Adam bonia oyeye no ana asai ye enam say ye na sifu nti ono so kwotena ne platform so ego kirem say sas enchiremu na memede mai na ente sa enye hwe say adwene ni ba akofo tirim ana sabi enye say wo be kan say ente sa ne kire say wo de a wo kan ente sa enti enye hwe na kamia ye say anytime bia obi be kan assembi afa ebia Kristo som ho anasa Bible ho now he comes in defense. Of course, if any defense nimpo a pass then I mean why shouldn't we accept? Because yen nyina no enokra ne yehwehwe megidi se yen asase so aye won so wo ye muslim ni o wo ye kristo ni o wo ye hwan ni o enokra ana wo hwehwe se ubenya enkwa ede ama wo kra enti se obi ye common sense family member na se obeka asem na se eye nokra adenti na wonyi ntum but eya me say ne ni ye bi no eya asem se ensem no ono ka se grofo ka fa no no etisa but eno ne de ye mfa nto nchen na ye mra asem no akasa so enti me ye mi program ni wie ye no ano no ba comment say enchiremu no ameme di ama no entisa into o challenge me say opeso no me ye discussion ana me so me comment say I accept the challenge. Me accept the challenge no. Say opeso no me ye nchire discussion a me gitum na mo me de no me ni nye discussion because me ni na ye discussions be brave and even this one ya mobile beti no the asma me ba be kan mo bo hu say ebesi esi ewo so. Me ni na ye discussions be brave na emre bia na me ni be discussion de me hu niema be miensa. One, and he say, so many year discussion no me kasa no so kasa fam. Me kasa bia no so kasa fam. So question po no be bisa me na se me yi question na no a. Ubon so wahye da cut in. On kasa fufu bia so question no a no asa bisa. Edu meta repeat question no a no bisa. Me yi ano so ma me yi ano na who interjected or tie sadia. The me who na say, oh yes, sir, or per se or distorted thought. On say, asemu can semua, o can we not asemu for so about dream say, when you see a way into us. It is what you sana, not a distorted thought. And I say, Ubonse washada aye sadia diverted topic no. Number 2 so amasha nso e wo no ho ne say me kan sem bi na say ohun sem bi be make point a ebe ma nipa no atem asem na sepe ubos wakati in na okasa fam say de be ya nipa no entie masem esi bebre the chat to cry says, well, who's the old cousin? What a tossum and I say here was what catecon. Sanya Mammy and Sawe, Mashan so almost about 2 or 3 times. I'm in Nakasano. Why, yes, Sanya Mammy and Sawe say all the time. And to me, who say no. So, make us say, yeah, this topic we say air to her. Now, ya baby, and say, yeah, enti yenye ni debate yebema wo time yama men so me time waba wonsem a wo no waba be kirekirim because wona wonnim die enti a wo kase saasem we no amimi kirekirim ne nte saa enti saasem no mayema wo time na bra beka na men so yema me time na men so die enti a me kase saasem ne te saa no men so me bra beka o se da bi ompe saa na yen kasa 4 minutes. I'm say, hey, 4 minutes. Now 4 minutes no. Even topic no grandpa me kind chapter na me go to ye no. Me ba be kind 13 verses. 13 verses. Make in the ina mo ba beti no. Me yen fun so can say 33, but the 13 verses because me say Matthew chapter 21 verse 33 to 46. In the 13 verses, no, how many minutes grandpa na me de be kan 13 verses? Or say ye fa 1 verse near the 4 minutes near the actually we are near be fa another verse. Enti ono ne de obeso o kan kosi nyina ne say debate pa de nya de ono obeje atum say enye debate. Ade intra because who person oni ne debate a ubenya time ontimi mem ontimi meka samfem ontimi me interjecte ontimi nya hwe ontimi nkatew ubenya o time na wa kire wonsemu ama na to nipa nasum eno no ompe because ono ne buta ye ne nye say obema muslim fo kwan mo ma kire nsem ama na to nipa so ne buta ye nyina ne say o promote ni channel enti obeka nsem a ebe ha nkrofo na waba na ono aye de enti de ni wi a ono na ye ne platform obetimi akatew okatew wi a ozo anka hwe ye bisa question a won answer verse ne da ho no kire mu a won kire nipa no susu kire mu ma ne kire na wo kasa fam so enti media na anka debate ni ntina na me frɛ no ana me frɛ no say na oye live program etifo mpamto munti asɛbi yo me frɛ no say na oye live program na ono no onye live program about any other religious group. Semina mi hu bi dia ene etiefo se mo hu bia mo betimi di bia kire mi. But me no mi hu that so I hear any live program about any religious group apart from Muslims. And answer apart from Islam. Enti se wa mekasa ntia Quran obekasa ntia hadith. Wankasa ntia hadisa obekasa ntia komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So wankasa ntia komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam obekasa ntia Allah. Because nim say Muslim for ye friend Nyankopon Allah enti ono no obekasa ntia Allah. Wanya sa oni bibia aka. Enti me frɛ no a oye say ontimi enye sa debate no. Ana o ka kire mse ne me oye program enti se we nti na me frɛ dia minjai mintwa so na onto an program so tie ho ansana me ye dey me bebisa mse ne e dey topic kra na wo ka because they can wo mse because wo no emre bia no de muslim fo nko anwa asem na wo ka onka asem me hu so aka asem kufro bia da enti dey topic na wo ka but ansana ye be ko sa side no mo ma ye ntie ahwase na enkoma me ni di ye no sɛde esikoye sɛde be ya gidi sɛ a fair deal sɛ ye betie the way enkomo ni sikoye na etiefo nyina mo agyaji sɛ adenti na odwane afri debate no so o asɛm weto asum a obetimi akire kirem ama atoni pasum a adenti na odwane because o kan asɛm bi sɛ because o ma me time ni bebre na me kasa ni rebe fidie me kan ye. Of course, the me kan ye important to note, but the also so be kan ye very important. Enipa na etie no ne be make judgment. Enti se me kan san bi na ofri say asam na me kan no enya no kre ana ento asum ade obe say you note it, obe try to ho. Say the also so time I de be ma the same time ye de be ma me. Say the also so be kan san bi e bia minim say me re betimi afinti no metimi atwra to ho na edru say me responde ana me bisa question a me use the bisa wo ana me dia responde no sara na also betimi aye but the main thing is say osuro debate oni asem bia oni nindie bia osuro debate entimre bia no opene say ono be ba be gina platform so na waka ye sa eno ano ope owi a opa no akatew go say any platform no akatew say wo no uni anu yie bia but so person nipa ni yie anu dia o ma ne time no wa kire ni nsem but on penny sa yentie no.
Hello.
Oh yeah live.
Yeah, me live Mr. Dubo for me wa live sisi a me wa live ya.
Okay.
Me Dubo for
na
I the one your notification na when your notification the what for answer the notification bi amro.
O say
Me say what for no answer the notification bi amro o say me wa live.
Oh David. Ade o kasafa me ho ana.
Aso David men kasa fa ho David men kasa fa ho.
So dey no na o kasafa me ho ntina o send me message but na me bisa minim se bia wo live video right me bisa na me bisa o se o pesa o challenge me on me program me here no ampa TV na pesa entina na me free but
yeah me pesa me challenge o yeah me pesa me challenge
So say
na me pese me challenge wo ho asem na wo kan ni nyina no
I also person challenging me see any debate so I also usuro debate.
That be me ka say me ka say be slow debate. But me pay debate a wo ba gina no aka 30 minutes. Na wo wi na ma ba ka 30 minutes. Me pay debate na say ye din to mo say ya.
Asem na ye be chirichiri mu. On say asem na ye be chirichiri mu. Na say boy say topic ni ye dey to ho but as ye kasa we kan na no asem ni ye be chirichiri the topic ni to ho a woni ndi a wo no na waka clear no obi atie sa asem a wo kan ni ndi wo mu a obi atie na me susuma ba na me susuma kamedia clear no obi atie se me susuma dia me kan ni ndi wo mu a then the listeners make sound judgment out of it and also challenge me
Now okay me pay say oba kan wo dia na 4 minutes no waka say we na me susuma kata 4 minutes na waka 4 minutes
4 minutes now wo kan no me verse now me quote here no Matthew chapter 21 verse 33 to 46 about 33 verses now how many minutes can I be the kind
yeah oba shall say from verse 1 now with 4 minutes time another honum yen kasa o kasa verse from verse to verse
only to say 4 minutes no it's not reasonable
reasonable me say
because one verse so na me be kan
and make can no
use other verses to support it
adubo for into upper verse ebia Matthew chapter 23 verse number 17 now 17 to 27 our be kan verse 17 no 4 minutes now that yeah digest 4 minutes no 17 nko a ye wi ana ye ko 18 so ye wi ana ye ko 19 so eno ano no
say be ma more time na dia chire nsem mu ana
that be because eno obe kasa san no wi ana me refi de okan ni nyina no waste of time
me no refi de okan nyina
I do work for what say waiting our friend na that be waiting our friend there kasa later okay because me your program they say
okay no problem but any other thing apart from Islam means they are
because Muslims they say according to my verse be Allah ye perverse Allah can say the Torah and the Injil are corrupt
but say
me say obetima my verse be Allah can say the Torah and the Injil are corrupt and I say because Muslims they claim say the Bible is corrupt and I say the Torah and the Injil are corrupt Allah can be afa bibisa ho na obetima my verse be
enti etefo we ni asɛm a nanka mekɔ akɔbisa no ɛne nkɔmɔ a ɛkɔ ɛbaa ɛno sɛdeɛ mo amutie no sɛ ɛnna na meka sɛ me ne yɛ discussion a mmerɛ biara no kasa no asɛ me kasa a na ɔno nso kasa fam wate ase enti or try me gidi sɛ yɛkɔ yɛnim no some of the ɛyi a mɛbɔ akyerɛ mu no mobɛhu ne clear sɛ he was just trying to stop me from speaking. But what the young asem no so. The question I will be say no nyina amate or say ye pese ehu say Quran ni no has the Quran make any claim say the Bible is corrupted and Quran na make any claim bisa I mean Muslim for e kasa pamcho bigidi say wo a wotie me ye nyina ye badwemma ana ye nyina ye madwemma sa sem we sei no moma ye nyina ye mmisa ye ho sei sa kasa a ana sa asem bisa no a seto e bisa no enti sabi nyansa ewu enti ase ewu wo sei Muslim for say the Bible is corrupted. Now, open evidence from the Quran. Open evidence actually say the Bible is corrupted. Every Muslim for what? Open evidence from the Quran. I mean, how sensible does this make? At the end of the day, very simple. Me a Muslim ni. Say Christo ni biba. That's what catch them say. The Quran is corrupted. Me nkonko bisa Kristo ni say the Bible mu kire me ba bia Quran ne corrupted ana mo ne me nyaadwene say Kristo ni dia ba ana say Hindu ni dia ba no be ka kire me say your Quran is corrupted me say which part of the Vedas and they can say the Quran is corrupted. Ana ode yemfamre yemfanya musum kram to nchen. Yemra areas Ghana constitution. Na obi free UK aba Britain aba be kan kire Ghana for say mo constitution no it is corrupted. O say the constitution emu kire me baby a Ghana constitution is corrupted. We don't say common sense no. And to obi say someone and I'm say what kind of question is this? I didn't know we share evidence from the Quran. Me we inyamusum ko bi ni. Na so be catch say the Quran is corrupted and why is the Quran ni bi e kire me bi e corrupted. Simple. So ma me hwehwe na se ma hunu a ho no na ma hu say asema a wo kan no enti sa. A very simple thing. When you hwehwe evidence hwehwe evidence no from the Quran. Common sense, oh. Common sense. And let me say, I didn't know the evidence from the Quran or say, make me say this. Was it because Muslims first say the Bible is corrupted? And the person who free Quran who say the Bible is corrupted. I'm saying no. Even the Christians themselves say the Bible is corrupted. It is open evidence there. And the Christopher they no can hold more weight than the Muslim Nibeka. But the young kuti, you take kakra na ya saba. I rose a more several we say you did this as on more common sense. Now, ye yamusum move for the new common sense. On that, now say Abraham be Moshe this of me. And say a friend Obadiah was there, Omukoye debate me. Must of me a brony passa. O Jane crowd, O Gujina, O Gujina Pumanachi, and what tears of an asana. O Tiana be warned was no. I was on the Sako. Or Saba and Zwa. A honogram Guama Granke. And they say, them so much for one being so many debate him. Because from that time, you knew say Abraham be Moshe debate him. Yen ye be a friend Zachariah. Eba I saw person ko ni debate. Ono Abraham bi Moshe no ampo jitu de control the platform so dwane e kire no dwane. Yen nua sompo enso so Abraham bi Moshe ono kra de sompo e friends Abraham bi Moshe suro no kokokokokoko. Ebi na Abraham te ye no omo mpe debate. Say no ma form ho adwen say da bi debate ni ya ankrofo no begu animu as enti ye njai debate na ye no omunye we no na eno na beboa ye but we dey emfa no ntunche but question no a obisa no se nyansa wo mu a atiefo mo dey making in the comment section se nyansa pa o question no obisa no mu a monka say Muslim ni bi say the Bible is corrupted it ye evidence ayen go he Quran ni yen kutie no
but o say
me say obetimi ama ye verse bi a Allah can say the Torah and the Injil no corrupt and I say bibisa because Muslims they claim say the Bible is corrupt and I say the Torah and the Injil no corrupt. Allah can bibisa afa bibisa ho na obetimi ama ye verse bi.
Na adeti na wo free Quran mo ansa no wo say Bible no corrupt.
Me hwe free Bible mu.
Me say adeti na wo free Quran ni mo ansa no wo say Bible no corrupt.
Because the Bible, the Bible, Quran they claim, Bible claims the Bible is corrupt, na. Quran they claim the Bible, Muslims they claim the Bible is corrupt.
No, the Christian scholars themselves say the Bible is corrupt. And today it's also all free Quran once.
It is the Christian scholars say the Bible is corrupt. Uno mo ya adwene. Allah also can say Bible is corrupt.
See, Bobo teacher free siasa the country was against me wu a. Ya nyina chinyi.
Ana tiefo, asomwa na mekei, mo ni menya adwen. Asembisa yenua ni bisa no enya asembisa eto asum because we say Muslim for say even kwa all can o see Quran ana o sabe kan Muslims but a chire no ye kasa no o say Allah say Allah say the Bible is not corrupt. But I hear you say muti mesa mo watie biem say mutie ya all can odi kan Quran. But a chile or say the Quran says that the Bible is not corrupt. But Muslim for they say the Bible is corrupt. Entino open evidence ni from the Quran. But what the emphasis ahani the better no ebi a what the emphasis na no na fum ye. Because say heat ne ba also sa sometimes one not me from and have a bibebre bet me about them because question na ye bisa no ebe hit wo na also wo common sense kwa wo be kwa koduru obi a ono no na adwene no ene ni nimdie no eboro wo de so ono ne de watra common sense logic wisdom enti obe bisa wo asem a wo kan ento aso ma wo de wuntimi nwini hu se ento aso no obe bisa wo question be hitew enti asem a eni utirim kwa no bonse na epie firi wa no etu de be cha no ebia na muslim na no opeso woka ana no woka Quran no anu oye no ye fa nche no ebia odwene ho de oso woka enti no oye odwetwim no de adwene de obeka. But asembisa no a the substantive issue no is that should we look for evidence of the corruption of the Bible from the Quran? Say you who say Bible no it is corrupted your Quran mu na wo say hwehwe free. So Muslim nimpo anaba beka you just give the Bible to him, show me where the Bible is corrupted. A very simple logic. And maybe can say even the Christians themselves can say the Bible is corrupted. And what difference does that make? Does it make say a Muslim is saying the Bible is corrupted, a Christian is saying the Bible is corrupted, and the Christians is not a mere Christian. Christian theologians, scholars, and more kasasini actually. It is a one a kasa at the train. That's a Muslim news so ebeka. What difference does it make? And now what time Muslim fwa keke? What time Islam wa maneba se? Asamu a Christopher ankasa aka. And asamu wa ankasa susu jidi in this obeka mi bisa no question ete no mbeso be ya no akire no me pushi no amani ya no. The answer or the man say ono susu jitum say the Bible is corrupted. Who jitum say the Bible is corrupted? A Christopher theologians, ejitum say some of them, ejitum say the Bible is corrupted. Now, some Muslim ni beka say the Bible is corrupted. Yeah, what say so when you evidence and free Quran ni mo ama say the Bible is corrupted. And na Islam free nyame, and na Quran ni free nyame, and na Muhammad ni free nyame. Enti mpato just say me Muhammad just say ti way power ni esi nyanse when you say common sense. One, Abraham bi Moshe no amomudi na chi no waka was saying that the Bible is corrupted. One kasa so ni Abraham bi Moshe eya adwene. Me boss a video na mmati. Was ni Abraham bi Moshe eya adwene say ani the Bible is corrupted. And I mean so make this also say Christian professors, Christian theologians can say the Bible is corrupted. Enti say ni pa kuo mi ensen. The Muslim for beto so nine. That's what Muslim say the Bible is corrupted. Muslim for the end they won't say. And now what time Muslim for my neighbor say? Who was some grandpa who did is a Muslim for beka. Just say wama bumusu. It is a way sir. Afe no na ama wadani akwada ama wasabi waye jimi for e woni ba anim. Because obi a obeti asem ni bia be hu se no ahaidie seto wahwe ase ahaidie wan nwini yie wan nwini ankwa akiri mesa motie yi na motie sisi ano mun santie biem na monhwe argument na oye ewi a ye besa ato aso inshallah.
But say
me say obetimi ama your best be Allah can't say the Torah and the Injil no corrupt and I say because Muslims they claim say the Bible is corrupt and I say the Torah and the Injils no corrupt. Allah can be bisa afa bibisa ho na obetimi ama your best be.
Na adeti na wo free Quran mo ansa no wo say Bible no corrupt.
Me hwe free Bible mu.
Me say adenti na wo free Quran ni mo ansa no wo say Bible no corrupt.
Because the Bible, the Bible, Quran they claim, Bible they claim the Bible they corrupt na. Quran they claim the Bible, Muslims they claim the Bible they corrupt.
No, the Christian scholars themselves say the Bible they corrupt. And today na also what free Quran once.
It is the Christian scholars they say the Bible they corrupt. Uno mo ya adwene. Allah so can say Bible they corrupt.
See, go teach free that free siasa the catch us against me wu a. Ya ni na chinyi.
Enti we say crampo no. Enye se enya Muslim for anene omo ya adwene o wan kasa seto na ankasa no won soso ni omo ya adwene momo Abraham my friends mo common sense family for money sa theologians no ya adwene say ampa the Bible is corrupted. Entiman dane enfama Muslim for just because what time Muslim for kekenti. You are trying to find a way to speak against the Muslims. Enti on now on you know the return or the journey will be more can. Na de bia me ka say onipa open okren. Say platform now are creating. Say or say enokre pa na opeso wo de ka dia. Ade e so ye ni say o the topic to. Asem no say na me nim no. Enti Muslim for e de na mo wo kafa ho. Me na discussion na my catching say topic bia or offer Islam bia no. When he gives me prayer notice or my prayer notice meba no ba be chirichiri oso no eno de onye ne sa eno de onye ne sa because he always know or person put you on the spot ono de oye the program enti wa wo bibi kan ono abeka what I say enti se oba na say on the spot no out of the blue no who make a mistake na for ma pick that mistake no mo de yedidi. Into almost common sense family, common sense family need me ye nyina ne say omo be ye dede e dia fanya mesomfo. That is all ade omo timi ya no na nsan na Abraham bi moshi aso wo sesa ne nsa kakra wo pese afede wo kaseti asa akode am ana ave aware ho asem na aso wo any politics but what the yensanko ni yanko tie asem foforo discussion na ekoso said ye enkomo no esa akoe ye be san ababi
me say Allah di ho dance ye so be ka kire wo say book ni ye corrupt and ye pese ye hunu enye de obi kan ye omunyina obi ya betima claim say pastor
me say there are internal evidence. I mean, now Abraham be Moshe. Udi nechi no. On can several times the Bible is corrupt.
Abraham be Moshe or ya Allah. Me Allah na ye busa wo said Allah di book ni ho dance ye.
Abraham be Moshe di Allah wunji ndi.
Me giri ni so we den so we Nyankopon ana say.
What did he say? Asama all say the Bible is corrupted. No. Uji di Allah wunji ndi.
Me ji Allah di eni di Allah say Bible no corrupt. Me ji Allah di eni di. Answer me na me din kai busa o question. Me na me din kai busa o question. I do for answer me question answer. Me na me din kai busa o sa. Me na me pe me answer no. What busa questions are no. Allah say book no ye corrupt. And na wo say ye corrupt. We betimi approve the content wo call against Allah. Allah can say book no ye corrupt. Quran chapter 5 verse number 68. Allah say book no ye corrupt. And then na wo say book no ye corrupt.
Allah can be a book in your corrupt.
I say book Quran me be the say.
As someone can say, judge the people of the book by their own book.
Okay? And the book no corrupt. I don't think Allah be ka so mo judge o move the book no.
Now you should judge Ghanaians by their constitution. I know there's a constitution problem anymore.
That be constitution ye Ghana for na say, but book ni ala di book. That be I do for book ni ala na de buy a constitution ye Ghana for na say.
Constitution and when there's a problem ni constitution anymore.
Book no why the book ni buy.
Oh, asama mi bisa hu Ghanaians.
Why the book ni buy? Why the book ni buy? Why the book ni buy? I do for answer question no. That ubusa question irrelevant. Me say book ni why book no no.
Ghanaians by their constitution. Such statement does it mean that there is no problem in the constitution?
Problem by saying.
Me say so we be catch and say
problem by
judge Ghanaians by our constitution. And when it says constitution problem.
It is a problem in one. Sana me tell the problem in one. So of course judge Ghana by their constitution.
So if this is so say
now okay, it is here my answer with the say okay. My answer with the I do go for my answer with the
Judge the people by their book.
But okay by their book now. I do go for I'm for till many who think they be offer. I do go for
some person judge them by any action. You should judge them by what book they have.
Therefore, the argument is very simple. Many argument are me say. First of all, no, I was me making this point very clear and categorical. Say, in the Holy Quran, Quran kunkun we mu no, Nyankopon enka ni bebia say the Bible is not corrupt. On only say Quran chapter 5 verse 68. Ye be kan sa verse no. Yen kan ni bebia say the Bible is not corrupt. The reason why inti no make that statement, opeso o kire say Quran can say the Bible is corrupt. It is a Muslim for because the Bible. I mean, opeso o kire say the Quran says that the Bible is not corrupt. It is a Muslim for because the Bible is corrupt. They are contradicting what Allah says. Em say okano na yim kra. There is nowhere in the Quran, meaning a kasano, me make it this categorical say. So it means just one verse. Quran can say the Bible is not corrupt. It's not corrupt. It means asem no me jai Islam abeye common sense family member. But what the eno yemfa ento nchen. The asamu ani e kanu ono na asem ni say yen hwehwe de Allah e kan na nye de obi kan e pa cho yen nyina ye badwemma o say na ahyase no o say Muslim for say the Bible is corrupt and as a corrupted. It is said the Bible is corrupted there. And yet yen bisa Quran no say is the Bible corrupted? And maybe baby's name can say I didn't know that evidence from the Quran. First, it does not mean say mean children free Quran who say the Bible is corrupted. Of course, I would make stress asem. Even if say any this in this video, in another video no make stress asem. But the point I'm making is say me Muslim needs and because the Bible is corrupted. That's an open evidence. You should give me the Bible to prove to you that the Bible is corrupted. You don't look for that evidence from the Quran. And one only say, and I may make decided to also say, even apart from Muslim form, some Christian theologians also say the Bible is corrupted. And they are not so young day. Or say, and yet you be a can, yen the Allah. enti Muslim nkrofo we enti omo common sense. Enye di obi aka, yɛhwɛ de Allah aka. Na sɛ de wo argument a wo making na say Muslim for na say. Na Muslim for de omo nya obi. Muslim for na wo say, wo aka say the Bible is corrupted. Enti yɛhwɛ evidence every Quran. Muslim for de omo nya obi. So argument no na enne say. Some me say Christian for say now say there be me ehwe de obi aka na ehwe the Quran aka what do you say Muslim for na say. So what is your argument? And me ya question na me bisa me say obisa me question say ye benya evidence from the Quran na and I'm say okay ye wo internal evidence me kan no manu ansi na me beka say there are internal evidence from the Bible, it is corrupted. Internal evidence. But me can manuel see and I'm to us say. Now one kasa krampo Abraham be Moshe no awuji nidi no. Abraham be Moshe say the Bible is corrupted and wuji di ana wunyini. And nun we simple we no awo. Anko betime yi anu simple ni ato aso no. Ye chinya be okasa just say o ma won kasa o kasa no kasa fam o erade what I say enti the point ni nyina ni say ono no argument a omo kuo eye no the same argument and a Muslim for so yes the Bible is corrupted. But ono no kuo ne de odi ato nchen ba be attacking Muslim for say give us evidence from the Quran. You know evidence from the Quran. Meanwhile, so say even say eba ne say Muslim for mpo anya evidence from the Quran. Wujitum say one case and wujitum say the Bible is corrupted. In another video no in another okasasem no Abraham be Moshe de no mbe so be ya no ni ya okate me even from the core. Actually ana metie video na me say obi na ba so no be kan say ade na wo mfre no because enko gina so anke so e be bisa question ana I was afraid because okate no me so me friend several times wa amfa afi obi ba ye na obe kan no ana afi no wo free. Ana me pushing one no afi or answer question no say ani oje Abraham bi Moshe asem na all can tum
pa na nke so wuchi ni jina so pa na ye
o de my friend back kwa me o de to my friend okay na ehwe de obeka sisi my friend me from back sisi okay my friend my friend back my from back sisi Richard okay say the kind my friend that day o friend na no den Obesuagu me so crampo. One time me catch them so people have say okay. Na the Quran e tata o man. Omo pe way si bi o Islam is the only religion okay. Obusa omo question a. Ayi so omo so ugidi a wo say dem be omo betimi attack o. So woni bi omo betimi attack o omo no onye debate da.
Wadwane a ba ko jina ma frɛ wa wan peke afi na wo frɛ me ye ntoatoa.
Yeah, okay, into there.
Afi na wo frɛ me no wa ye ntoatoa on platform no.
Into there.
Me question na me bisa wo na wo dwane.
Question because irrelevant. Irrelevant. I do go for. Question here. What it mean depending on someone.
We see Muslim friends say the Bible is corrupt. And I'm say okay. What the hell want to? Abraham be Moshe who did it. Was say the Bible is corrupt and who did ya na who did? Me
the Bible is corrupt. Okay. Into why I said.
Na say who did ya? And the niggas who did say the Bible is corrupted. Into the Muslim friend can no prayer. Into what is your problem?
And I'm saying, so now what is your argument? Abraham bin Moshe said the Bible is corrupted. Who said to so say Annie, the Bible is corrupted. Muslim for so because Annie, the Bible is corrupted. Who say Abraham bin Moshe the evanton chain? Who the evanton chain? Muslim for the enemy emfa. Na say Muslim for the enemy post see efa. Yan go hwehwe evidence from the Quran, not the Bible. Nkwara asem wi. enkwara asem we mo ma mo adwene no nya adwuma kakra kete ube bre wo ho kakra bi adwene akọ akiri kakra bi ntimi nwene na wo ya ba ka kyerɛ nyamesomfo sɛ yɛn mom ne yɛn nwene. How sensible is this? Ebiem mibisa a question no no person obeyi ano or say my question is irrelevant. My question na mibisa yen say me catch na emra obo Quran chapter 5 verse 68 no ana me kan say Quran mimi ye categorical me say Quran nin kan ni be bia say the Bible is not corrupt and I say it's not corrupted. Ano no de according to ono no or de verse no to screen so Quran chapter 5 but omo say so Quran chapter 5 verse 68 or this verse no to screen so say etiefo nyina anhwe in that verse no asamu na can say Quran chapter 5 verse 68 or say Kul ya ahlal kitab lastum ala shay'in hatta tuqimu at-taura wal injil wama unzila ilaykum min rabbikum. Or say oh and woman crofo and I say people of the book, you do not stand on anything. You do not stand on anything. So me kind brofuna. You stand on nothing until you observe the Torah and the gospel. And the only argument in Iran say if Nyankopon Allah say the Jews and the Christians should judge according to the Torah and the Injil, if the book is corrupted, I didn't think Nyankopon beta can't say they should judge by that. And I mean bisa whole question say. Enti opesa wo kire say so obi be can say obi fi Britain ebe ka kire Ghana for say Ghana for you should judge by your constitution. And no such statement does it mean say there is no problem with the constitution? Or say my question is irrelevant. Because he is trying to run away from the question. It was a question irrelevant. What will say? Nyankopon say that people should judge by their book. Nyankopon kasa. So if the book is corrupted, I didn't think Nyankopon say they should judge by that. And I may say, by the mere statement say because a judge by that, no, does it mean say and no, does it necessarily mean say there is no problem with the book? Also, the question is irrelevant. But Ebia Obibeka ono kwa make that argument no. Ebia Obibeka say book no Nyankopon na di book na ma wo mo. Of course, Muslim for yejidi say the Torah and the Injil were given to the people by Allah, by Nyankopon. It is a Nyankopon na di book na ma wo mo dia. We cannot put Nyankopon ngoma or dia ma obi any the constitution of Ghana or also can make that argument. Say the constitution need the Ghana for na aye. Implying my understanding of that Ghana for me means say e nipa netina asehye eti nipa betini ayamfumso na mum Nyankopon de onyamfumso nti se Nyankopon na de nwoma ne bre wo mo de a eye den ye sa ko hunu say emfumso wo mu a very good argument. And no bisa ye na me chire mu say sarcasm, if we say something is corrupted, something is corrupted, no, what does it mean? What it means, and say, enipa aye bibi afa ho. Enipa aye bibi afa ho. Either say, ye bibi afrim, and I say, ye di bibi aka ho. And I say, It does not mean that the complete book is corrupted. The complete book not say every word, every statement, every command a woman say. That is not what it means. And it's when the Quran says that they should judge by their own book, the Quran ne patching na say. What is a munji Quran impon dia even in this verse no kwampo kan say enya Torah ni Injil ni kwa. You should also believe in what has been revealed from your Lord, which is referring to the Quran. I will say, but it will increase them in disbelief. And the argument the Quran is making me say, when the Quran says, when Allah says that you should judge by your own book, it means whether say corrupted and I say any corrupted, no, you will still find guidance in it to come to the truth now. Islam. And so when the verse continues to tell you, say, you should also believe in what has been revealed from your Lord, which is referring to the Quran. That statement should not increase you in disbelief. It should rather lead you to Allah. It should rather lead you to believe in the Quran. That is the argument that the Quran is making. The Quran is simply saying, say, a woman a woman say there has been some massage. A woman say a nipa bi de nsaka. But even with what you have now, no, it can still lead you to know, say, ampa and no crabin so what the Yankopon yabaim into munyini. Mamifa verse no into screen so na muntie. Because Grofo we say no. Omu ni hwe dede hu kasa o ma on kasa na otwetwa wa. Enti etiefo mepese yehwe verse no a yenua no ekan ye no. Se ohwe ha obomu se eye 69 verse 69. Ono ne kan verse 68. Enti the enti etisa ne say there are two different ways of numbering the verses in Islam, the verses of the Quran in Islam. Bako your verse, your words be ewo Quran, your friend Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And as it say, in the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Some scholars can say that word no, and you can see a number. And as some scholars and so can say no, I was say a number. Enti omo say any can see a number no. They don't number it. It omo no in the other one no omo ka say a number no. Omo de omo number nti bo say eno na verse number 1. Then the next one na verse number 2. But omo say any can see a number sa verse no. Omo number nti the next one mu manka ahai na verse number 2. Na no na kwa verse number 1. Etiana emrebiano some Quran ubon say numbering ne de baako edi anim ti sana sa Quran we say etie o say oh people of the book, you stand on nothing until you observe the Torah and the gospel and what has now been sent down to you from your Lord. Enti obo enwoma miensa, the Torah, the Injil, and what has now been sent down, which is the Quran. The ahai no Quran ni kanyina ni say enwoma miensa no eye denara ubenya enokure bi afri mu a edo beko otumfo Nyankopon nche. Enwoma ni miensa nyina no ubenya nokure bi afrim a edo beko otumfo Nyankopon nche. It does not necessarily mean say the Bible is not corrupted. You know, there is nothing directly and say the Bible is not corrupted. Of course, untimi njina we say so emfa nka say the Bible is corrupted. The Quran they can say you will get the truth from the Injil, the Torah, and the Quran. Ubenya no kra free mu a ede ubeko otumfo Nyankopon che. Metwaso will say, and surely what has been sent down to thee from thy Lord will increase many of them in rebellion and disbelief. And the Quran it was say, now so say ye chire ya ye ama mu ebemma omu a omuye enwuma no nkofo, the people of the book, and I say the Jews and the Christians no ebemma ebeto omu disbelief mu, and I say ebemma omu enyiraye no akosoro. Enyiraye in a sense say omunji Islam ndi no akosoro. Also grieve not for the disbelieving people. Nti men diare ho womo a wombetia wo etiafo no eho. The next verse ne say, surely those who have believed, and the Jews and the Sabians and the Christians, whoso believes in Allah and the last day and does good deeds, on them shall come no fear, nor shall they grieve. Enti the verse in your can say, whatever book you direct yourself to know, it should lead you to believe in Allah. Enti it does not necessarily mean say the book is corrupt and answer is not corrupt, but the verse is simply telling you say these books can lead you